That's my Mama. Get away from her. Get away from her. Aubrey.
I'll go book it.
You got Bookie?
Get away from my Mama. It's my Mama. Get away. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna steal her away from you. You better hug her. It's my Mama. It's my Mama. Get off of her. Aubrey, get off my Mama. Get off my Mama.
No.
Yes.
Kissing my cheek.
It's my Mama. Nikki, get away from my Mama.
My Mickey.
It's my Nikki.
Mommy.
It's my Mommy.
That's your mommy. That's your mommy. Mommy has Mama's shoes up.
Oh.
Give me a kissy. Hey, that's not kissy.
Give Grandma a kiss.
You gonna kiss me right there? Auntie Stacy? Oh, you want your book? Here's your book. You want your
You
chair?
little Matilda? You're gonna be smart.
Yeah, I am smart.
You gotta turn it around.
Okay, we got some silver real quick. Right there.
Who's that? Aubrey.
Shaky.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
The other red one.
Auntie Steve? Say, that's a cute shirt.
That was not fun.
A shirt for Mama from Auntie Stacy.
Pretty?
Get your eyes off my shirt over there, Miss
Is it pretty? Yeah.
Bernie.
You see Auntie Stacy.
She wants to see Jacob.
Who's Jacob?
Jacob, look over here. Say hello, Aubrey.
Oh,
Jacob.
Whoa.
you want to stick like this?
She calls him Jacob.
He doesn't say anything.
Really? Wow. Like his teacher, huh? He really likes those strawberry milk.